Okay guys, it's ADC Melbourne here. What started off as changing a blow and light globe on a BA Falcon is now going to change into changing the tail light wire loom that attaches to the back here. So not only am I going to do a video on well, how to change the the brake light on the BA Falcon, it looks like we're going to do a bit of a wire job as well. Alrighty, so now there's 2 screws, and there's a kind of little plug in here. So once you get the screws off, you just pull this out, and that's where you'll find the attachment. Now, the wiring loom is here, basically plugs into there, and goes through here into the brake light. Now, there's a, where are we? Here we go, there's a hole there. It's got a little plug in it, I've already pulled it out. Once you've done that, you can fold this down. So I'll get this club lock put on there, so it's easy to see. Now, the good part about these wiring looms is they're colour coded. So you got red for brake, grey for reversing line, and yellow for indicator, so it doesn't need much brain power. So okay, let's get to work then. Two screws. Now you need both hands. And as you can see, 1, 2, 3. Now this is the brake one. What you do, now if you have a look down here, you can see it's broken. Take these out. I'll remove that. Now, see what I mean by the plug? Right there. So it can go there. Now, as you can see, this slides through in there. This actual rubber thing just goes through like that, so it's not that hard to do. Or it must come through the other way. Either way, it basically just comes through. So let's get in here. It's got one of these clips on it. Undo it. There you go. One destroyed thing. Okay. Again, straight through here. Can you see that? Straight through here. I'll put it again. Straight through there. This gets pushed in. It's the rubber seal. And you've got the 3 brand new plugs. Now, come around to here. That plugs into there. Make sure that's locked. Okay. Come off there. This can go back into place. There you go. While I'm here, come down here, put it in one of these. Little plug. Okay. I'll have a look for that in a minute. Let's get the rest of it put back together. Okay. It's, any other bits of plastic? Now it's not hard to do. Obviously you've got the orange. There's our little slot. Here we go. There you go. Orange for the indicator. Clear for that. And we'll come over here. And we get some brand new brake lights. So, one new brake light. Now, as you can see, the distances are one's high, one's low. So it's just a case of dipping them in. There we go, high and low. What have we got? High, low. Alright. Locked into place. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, not that hard. Just let's start with the bottom. Lock it in place with the red. And what do we got? 1, 2, 3. They are different sizes, so you got to make sure these things are all different sizes, so make sure they line up and you won't have a problem. Let's have a look here. Oops. There you go. Again, don't forget, there's that thing that I told you. That's what it plugs into, if you can see. And that goes in here. And it's just a bit of a bang as we line them up. And that'll hold. Again, 2 screws. One, 2. I'll go and turn the engine lights on, and we should have 2 red lights going. You can't see much, it's bright sunlight, but there's a glow there. And there's a glow there. Everything's looking fine. So there you go, guys. That's about 10 minutes tops.